G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Today we've got a new casting that came out new for 2018, that is. The 2017 Audi RS6 Avant. So the decals on the front, or the tampos you want to call them, on the front and the back are actually really good for a mainline car. Because if you have a look when it's coming around, have a look at all the front and the back. We're just going to do a quick wheel swap today. We're going to put a our 6-spoke rims on there with the HANKOOK Ventus Tyres. So I'll just show you this here just up close. Just look at that, I haven't done any of that. This is just all factory. So I'll leave that like that. That looks pretty cool. I don't mind the colour either. I like Audis. I like a lot of cars, been in the industry like a lot of us there. So that's the rear end there from the factory. So But also, when you're picking these cars, don't think that they're all like that. If you're going to pick it and you want to use it and you don't want to touch it, have a good look around, because a lot of them, the tampos on some of them, it's a bugger I don't have one right in my hand here, but some of them the headlights are over the bonnet, some of them are down, especially a couple of the Porsches there, they've slid in the headlights half on the bumper and then not in the headlight circle itself. So if you want to do things like that, make sure you have a good look. Also check your axles too to make sure that they line up with the rims, with your wheel arches, because some of them also aren't very good. And if that's what I mean, if you're not wanting to do, unless you're going to pull it apart and do a heap of work to it and you don't mind, these are the wheels and tyres that we're going to put on there. Little HANKOOK Ventus 6-spoke. Oh, these are basic, like a little flat style sort of rim. Alright, put him on there. This is no drilling the base again as well, this one here. We're just going to be doing the little chop that I do with my little cutters. Just make sure that I pull the wheels down, because sometimes the axles, make sure you pull the wheels down, because sometimes the axles actually stick up. So you do that way, and you put the cutters in like that. That way you don't have to worry about damaging anything. These aren't too bad a rim for a plastic rim, but not as good as the ones that we're going to put on it. That is for sure. And then pull it down again, cutters in, straight in like that. Pretty easy. And bam. If you want to keep all of those tampos or decals in good condition on the front and the back, try your hardest not to touch them too much with your hands, and then give them a wipe over, gentle wipe over when you're finished. Same story goes on here. We will be drilling the base. Looks like I've lost the wheel that's gone runabout down there, the old Ford Mustang. Alright, I'll put that on there. Just quickly put the drill into the drill. And away we go in a second. This is a non-drilling the base one again. I do run the drill through there because of the axles. It's a 1.2mm drill to suit the rod axles. This is only a wire axle mainline car. So you can do a wheel swap and do a bit of work to these and get these looking pretty hot and cool without doing a ton of work. And there's that many wheels out there today, you can put whatever wheels on it that you suit. We've got quite a few sets on our website, we're increasing the variety more and more. Alright, there we go, that's all drilled out. I'm pretty sure I can faithfully say there's enough for the axle. So we're just going to get the axles as the trick. We'll put them in that little slot. Alright, same with the axles. I'll put the axle in the drill. Very gently, slowest, the way it's slowed right down. I have it slowed right down. Put the knurled end in to your drill. You don't have to do it this way, you can do it by hand. I have showed you that way before on one of my other videos, but you definitely need to put a drop of super glue in before you do that when you do it by hand. And just gently until that thread a bit. Don't go too far, you hold it straight most of the time, you can get the wheels perfectly right. There you go. Right. That's that one done. Pretty sure the axles are the right length for this. I didn't bother to check, but you should check. I should be telling you to check on every video, but I don't want to sound like I'm a parrot to everybody. There we go. They'll fit fine, the axles. Now I can't help myself, I picked the car up. And of course, guess what we've got to do now? We've got to do a sample test. Let's have a look, see what it looks like, these rims. They'll suit it perfect. Suit the style of it. And we need to actually trim that off a little bit. We do. So we will put that one there. Put that back there. Get to this here. We'll get this one into it. As quick as we can. Another rim. In we go. Straight in. There we go. Beautiful. Alright. Try them out for length as well on them. Yeah, I will just buff off a little bit because like I was saying, I don't like my wheels flogging around too much, and I don't like them going like this when you put it down and that sort of thing, and I don't like them loose. I like them just fitting nicely. Yep. So what I'll do is I'll just take a little bit off both of those axles with the Dremel. Leave them on, maybe a couple of seconds, folks. Not taking too much off, just a little bit. I'm just fussy, that's all. But, a little bit. Just remember, don't ever put the hot axle into a wheel. Alright, and we'll just do this little one here. Just trying not to shoot it into the lens of the camera. We're having enough trouble with filming and camera work as it is. Not so much doing the work, it's the film work that goes behind me. So I was saying, I take my hat off to the guys that built with all of these flash bits and joining them all together and everything else. Alright, clean up the hands. By the way, I should have been doing this with clean hands or little gloves on there, so I didn't actually not actually making a mess. Okay, we've got these definitely brand new tyres. Look at that, we even got a little tit hanging on there. Get him off, otherwise it'll make the car sit bumpy or whatever. Just a little hobby knife, where it go? There it is. Just gently bump him off. Alright, there we go. There we go. Line him up under there, on under there. Just a nice firm, even pressure push. Not flat out. Right, there we go. I just always, just a little bit too tight. I want him to be able to spin beautifully, like that. Alright, let's get the next one in, right hand side. The fluff out of there from the drill. Back onto there, back into here. Back into here. Good, we can see, you can see there. Just gently, firm, not too heavy handed. And this is what I mean by I don't like it flogging around too much. And the work trait. It's come out pretty smart looking on that Avant wagon. Look at that, you don't really need to do anything to it. You could do an exhaust and do the chrome on the back of the mirrors and all that sort of stuff. But I'm pretty happy with that, just like that there. And these rims on it will actually make it look like it's sitting down a little bit lowered, which is a good thing. So I don't like my cars jacked up. I remember in the 60s and the 70s, man, used to be see who could get the arse end up the highest. Talk about dangerous. But do all the fun, crazy things we used to do back in the day. Well, here we go, folks. Have a look at that. Look at the difference that's made. Just that little wheel swap there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check us out on YouTube. We're on YouTube. Check us our website out and all them other things. We've got a giveaway coming up to when we go up to 100 subscribers. So yeah, stand by and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care everyone. Look after your family and yourself. And we'll be back again soon with another clip.